Guys, jadi tidak hanya manusia yang datang tapi juga kita mempunyai habitat yang sangat langka, yaitu ada beberapa babon atau monyet di sini sedang bekerjasama untuk mengambil beberapa kutu yang ada bersamanya jadi makan. Satu kawannya sedang menikmati merasakan bagaimana diambil kutu di badan, guys. Satu lagi sedang makannya. Nanti guys. Yang uniknya guys, ini kiradaton. Ya, kiradaton atau kirdon atau monkey guys. Ya. Tapi udah anaknya tuh guys, dua juga dia sedang mencari kutu. Ya. Nahan dia. Jadi kemari ya guys, jangan lupa. Ih kupi. Ya, dia baik dia. Dia baik dia. Yang kita pukul dia, jangan kasih makan dia biar dia rajin mencari makan sendiri guys.
Ya anak dia buat.
Betul. Ya, mangat tak baik ni cok kuteh hai.
Dah marah dia.
Guys.
Bukan takik hai ibu boleh.
Oh,
terkejut dia.
Wisata yang ada di Kota Langsa.
Assalamualaikum. Ya Syekh.
Tiba Syekh Roni nanti. Apa terus?
Ya Syekh.
Udah.
Monkey.
Ya Syekh. Assalamualaikum Syekh.
Enggak, ini
Hola, Bonaza. Say something.
Oh, makasih. Yeah, this is the place of mangrove forest in Langsa.
Langsa.
You must go here. Okay, friend?
All right, thank you, Mr. Naza. Mr. Sahar, want to say something? For 5 countries around the world, invite a lot of tourists came here. You know what? Want to say something about English?
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to describe about
This location, right?
mangrove
Yeah.
for forest.
Forest. Yeah.
Forest,
Yeah.
mangrove forest. The mangrove forest is very big and very green in the beside of beach of Langsa.
Yeah.
This is very clean, very clean and very calm when we go here. So come here to Langsa city. I believe you very calm and you very
Comfortable.
comfortable.
Thank you, Mr. Sahar,
and-
for your explanation. This is very awesome, your idea. I hope later or next year and so on, a lot of tourists from Europe, United States, United Kingdom will visit here and then, enjoying this place. You know what? This is very awesome.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Musafir. You take a video for me for describing about Langsa
Mangrove forest.
Mangrove.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.